Hello, this is Daryl for Friday, the 26th of February 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and viewing our videos. So today the market closed in mixed territory. Why? Well, it's fears of a rate hike. We had Wall Street today being mixed because of fears that really the Federal Reserve would hike rates again, and that offset the gains that we had earlier in the day. But it's very important to note, though, that usually when oil prices are falling, the oil shares, companies who are oil producers, they usually fall with the prices. But today we saw that trend break, which is very important for investors and for ones looking at the economy, because what we saw today is big producers continuing their rally, although oil prices were going down. And a big company that really benefited from that was ConocoPhillips. They were up 3.72% today, although the oil prices were falling. So that is a very good sign for the economy. It shows that the economy is really strengthening, and we are hearing talks too that we are probably finding a bottom now in oil prices, and that's all very good signals for the economy. So we had also the S&P Materials Index. They led the market today with a 1.46% rise. So they have been the best sector this week. They are rallying this week. So when we think about what is happening with the rate hike, we have the Commerce Department coming out today and said that GDP expanded at a 1% annual rate in the fourth quarter. So that is up. It's a revision from the previous fourth quarter report that they brought out, which they said it was a 0.7% rise. So this is actually showing the markets to be way more positive than was previously thought. And therefore then, this is where the concerns then come in on Wall Street as to whether really we're going to have a rate hike pretty soon again from the Federal Reserve. And this is when the market turned negative today because of concerns of that rate hike. So what we had was the Dow Jones average. It was up today 57.32 points to 16639.97. We had the S&P 500 down 3.65 points to 1948.05. And the major mixed one we had was actually the Nasdaq, which was up 8.27 points to 4590.47. So the Nasdaq was up while the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones were in negative territory at the close. So is this a positive sign for the economy? Yeah, we tend to think so. We tend to think that now the economy is really starting to find direction, and we could start seeing a real rally coming up. So could we see that rally next week, Monday? Well, we hope we could. All right. But stay tuned, and we'll be here to break down the markets for you as they do. Okay? So this is Daryl, and this has been the DE Market Summary. Have a good weekend.